In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make smooth transitions in CapCut. If you're looking to enhance your video clips with seamless transitions, you've come to the right place. Let's dive straight into it. First things first, you'll need to log into CapCut on your PC. If you haven't already done so, make sure you have the CapCut application installed on your computer. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where the magic begins. Now, let's go ahead and create a new project. This is your canvas where all the creative editing happens. Simply click on the New Project button, and you'll be prompted to start building your masterpiece. This step is crucial as it sets up the workspace for all the editing moves we're about to explore. With your new project ready, it's time to add some content. Select 2 clips that you want to transition between. Drag these onto your timeline, arranging them in the sequence you desire. Positioning your clips correctly is key to smooth storytelling, so take a moment to ensure everything's in its proper place. Next, we focus on the transition itself. Click on the space between your 2 clips on the timeline. This highlights the junction where the transition will occur. It's like marking the spot where your video will elegantly glide from one moment to the next. At this point, you'll want to tap the transition button that appears. This opens up the transition library where you'll find a variety of effects to choose from. Browsing through these options can be both exciting and overwhelming. But don't worry, there's something for every style. Once you've perused the transitions, pick one that complements the mood of your video. Whether you prefer something subtle or a bit more dynamic, there's a transition effect that will fit perfectly. Selecting the right one can transform your scene change from monotonous to mesmerizing. After choosing your transition, it's time to fine-tune the duration. A shorter duration tends to yield a smoother transition, so play around with it until it feels just right. This is where trial and error come into play, allowing you to adjust until you achieve the desired fluidity. Finally, let's preview your work. Hit the preview button to see your transition in action. This step is crucial to ensure that everything flows beautifully. If you're happy with the result, click Apply to finalize your transition. Don't hesitate to make any necessary adjustments if something feels off. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to create smooth transitions in CapCut, enhancing the visual appeal of your video. Keep practicing, experiment with different transitions, and let your creativity shine. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more editing tips and tricks.